Input-output analysis is a revolutionary technique proposed by Professor Wassily Leontief, a Nobel Prize laureate in economics, in 1951. His earliest contribution was a working paper in 1936 on input-output analysis titled Quantitative Input and Output Relations in the Economic System of the United States. Leontief emphasized the quantitative description of the structure of the American economy. This method is used to analyze relationships between industries to understand dependencies and complexities in the economy, explaining conditions needed to maintain balance between supply and demand. Input-output analysis is also known as inter-industry analysis. Before delving into details, it's important to understand inputs and outputs. According to Professor J.R. Hicks, an input is something purchased by the firm, whereas an output is something sold by the firm. Inputs represent a company's expenses, and outputs represent its revenues. The financial value of inputs reflects the total cost of the company, while the financial value of outputs reflects its total revenue. Input-output analysis examines inter-industrial relationships, a rapidly expanding field of applied economics. Despite its growth, input-output analysis has remained a subject of debate among economists, emerging as a vital field of research. Academics find it a robust tool for understanding how large economies function, particularly national economies, while practitioners showed limited communication with economists. Input-output analysis indicates that interdependencies within the economic system are sectoral and interconnected. Inputs of one sector serve as outputs of another, leading to a balance between supply and demand in the entire economy. Fertilizer is an input for agriculture, and grains are an input for the food industry. This reciprocal relationship continues, with processed inputs becoming outputs that turn into inputs for another sector. This circular flow ensures the seamless operation of economic activities. A significant portion of economic activities involves producing intermediate goods for later use in creating final goods. Sectoral interlinkage is crucial for the economy's operation, characterized by flows of goods and services across different sectors. The supply side involves large flows of intermediate products, while demand concerns final goods. Economic relationships are distinguished by multiple causal connections. Diverse inputs might be used to produce a particular commodity, and each commodity has varied applications. This results in a complex system of economic relationships within operations, reflecting that the economic domain is not isolated from others, as noted by Leontief in 1928. Essentially, input-output analysis suggests that, in equilibrium, the total financial value of outputs across industries equals the sum of financial values of inputs within industries and the entire economy.